Okay, so today in this video we'll create a registration form. So last video we are seeing like a create a login form. That's why in this video we are creating a registration form. Okay, so first we are create a new page and open this in Elementor. Okay, and first go to your first like login page, and okay, login page, go to your login page, and here as you can see this section and this edit section button, just click on there and click mouse right button. Then you will see this save as a template button. Then you will see enter the template name. So input one name as you understand that. Yeah. Okay, so now we are going to our pages like this. So I'm saying you hover on pages and here add new, input a new name or your page. I just already created a page, that's why I just don't waste time. Okay, so I already created a page, so that's why I just delete this, and I save this template like this section as a template. That's why I just click on this box button like add template, but add template box. Then you will see like this type of page. So here as you can see this my template option and click on there. Then you will see your save it all template. So recently I saved this L111 this section. That's why I just click, I want to import this in my register page. That's why I just click on this insert page, and here as you can see click on no button. Okay, so then you will see the changes. So first we need to change this name, like as you can see here this name is welcome back create an account. So just rename this, just click on here and I just rename this. I want to show welcome back. I just welcome, create a new account, and here then first name last name. So we need to add a inner section, and okay, so drag and drop in an inner section here. Sometimes it's not working, so this, then click on this update button, then it's fixed. Okay, so now I just search like one field FIE, then you'll see the field. I just drag and drop here this. If you don't see our first video, so click on this I button, then you will see the first video link, and please see this video, then you will understand and which plugin I used and which okay, so now we need to add like form ID. So go to, okay, so we need to add the different ID, okay, different form ID, because this is not a login page, this is a register page. So that's why I need to add the another form ID. Okay, so I just enter register form cast. Okay, I just input like this name, and form ID I am just input here like reg1 that first name, okay, FRIST first. Okay, and I need to change this type. This is text, and here the label FRIST first name, because this is first name box, and show label and pattern. So we do not anything change here. So first, okay, so again I just click on this duplicate button and duplicate this and drag and drop this. Basically this is for first name and this is our last name. Okay, so again I just click on here, and we need to change the field ID because it's last. So I just input last, and here as you can see this label, so I need to change this last name, and we need to add on a like username option. So first I just okay, so again I just click on this button and I need to copy this form ID. I need to paste, or I need to enter same form ID in every box. Okay, this is very important thing. Again I just click on this password button and go to this form ID, just paste this. Okay, so I just change this, like I just duplicate this email address, duplicate. Then you'll see the new field. I just first click on this, and I need to change this field ID. Okay, I just enter here like this is our username, so user1, and here type change here only text, and label username. This is our email address field, so I need to change, or we need to change here, and field ID, because this is login field ID, so that's why I just change here reds 1, and I need to change the password again, and just click on here, then we'll see the field ID, so I need to change this reds. Okay, I need to duplicate this for confirm password, so duplicate this. My PC very slow, that's why it's stopping sometime. Okay, so I need to change this field ID like confirm password, so change first change the label confirm confirm password, and here the field ID, so rates input like con password. Okay, and I don't need any kind of forget password because this is a register page, and I delete this, and here as you can see this terms and condition, copy this and go to my Elementor page builder page and click on this button, then we'll see the options. I just paste on this, then we'll see the changes. So I need to change this, we need to change this form ID. Okay, I click on this confirm password, then we'll see our form registration form ID, so I just copy here and click on this accept terms and condition button, then we'll see the form ID, so we need to change this, and here we need to change one thing, that is field ID. So let's click on this submit button, and we need to change this form ID. This is our form ID, and okay, after submit, okay, this is action after submit, we need to change this delete login and input register, because this is a register page, so we don't want to redirect them or redirect any user in my login page. Okay, I just simply input register page. So here the role and a registration, when any person registration here, then will be a subscriber. Okay, if you want to change this, so you can change here easily. So I don't want to change here. Okay, we are changing, we need to check again our all field. Okay, so we need to change these two box. So first click on this username button and click on this copy and paste style, then you will see the changes. Okay, you'll see the changes. So we need to check again all the ID. Okay, so here as you can see form ID and field ID, it's right last. So we need to change the field ID, like I just input here like 2, first name another field ID and last name another field ID. Don't input same field ID in two boxes. Okay, here username, we need to change this field ID, and don't input like field ID, same field ID in two box. Okay, or two field. Okay, every time use a unique field ID. Okay, but form ID same, every field in same form ID, but field ID every time use unique field ID. Okay, it's now fine. I just click on this submit button, like this is our registration page now, so we need to change this. Okay, so now I just click on this button, then you'll see the text. I need to change this registration or register is best, and click on this register button, and we need to change this into login. Okay, so click on this register button, and here as you can see this action after submit button, click on there, then under the register button click on here, then you will see the email field shortcode. So here click on this emailed address button, here the shortcode, just copy this, go to the button and paste email, then find out the username field. So click on this username, copy this shortcode, go to your button, paste this. Here the password field, click on this password, copy this shortcode, click on this button, paste here, again click on this confirm password,
copy the shortcode, paste here, first name, last name, copy this first name, like your shortcode, click on this button, then under, like this, paste here, begin last name, copy the shortcode, click on the button, and paste here, click on update, and we need to add another thing, that is our my account page link. Go to this Elementor Design again, and here as you can see, click on this button, and under the redirect, click on OK. Okay, so again, let's click on this.
Okay, input like redirect this my account page. Okay, that means when any user input their all data, then when they are click on this register button, they will redirect to this page, like this page. Okay, like my account page. Okay, and when they are click on this login button, they will redirect to our login page. Okay, so okay okay, so we need to go to our login page. So I just first copy this link and paste another tab and change it, copy this, go to our registration page, click on this login button, and here as you can see the link, change it, click on update, and we need to change this monkey because I don't want to show here any monkey here. So click on this icon, like then you'll see this JSON field, then click on this, then you'll see the upload. So upload the like this okay, registration animation. I'll provide this JSON file in video description, so download this if you are interested to create like same to same registration page. So I select this and click on this insert media button, so then you will see the changes. Okay, and click on this update button. Okay, so it's looking now fine. So I just okay, I just reload my website again, and I want to see you and change this. Okay, first I just go to an registration page. First I okay, back here. Let me show you it's working or not working. Okay, first I go to our registration page, and then first I check this it's working or not working. So input like first name W and last name WW and username www and email www@gmail.com, and password we need to input and password. So copy this, paste, confirm password, and click on this I accept confirm I accept condition, terms and condition. Click on this register button, then you will see it's working. Wow, great, it's working now. I just click on this log out button because I need to check this it's working or not working. So I want to go to like login page. Just click on this login button, and here as you can see this email and password, and the monkey dancing here. So I just input my email and password. Recently I created an email and password, you see. So click on this remember me button, and then you will click on this submit button. Then you see this form the form was sent successfully. So we need to change this text because login successfully, I mean we need to input this login successfully. So go to this login page and click on this button and find out this custom code. Here as you can see on option custom message, so we need to change this. So we need to change the form was successfully sent. Okay, so login successfully, okay, it's looking now fine. Or if you want to change this text success message, you can change this easily, no problem, as you wish. So click on this update, and registration page, registration button, click on this, and register. Okay, we need to go to our, we need to get to this custom masses. Okay, so here we need to change this register successfully. It's looking fine. Okay, it's looking fine or good, and click on this update button. And one thing, we need to check this website responsive or not responsive. So if you want to check this, or if you want to customize this, okay, so click on this responsive mode, and here as we can see this mobile option, just click on there, and okay, it's looking now responsive. Okay, so we don't need to change anything else here. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, click on this like button, or if you are new here in my channel, so please subscribe. Next video I will show you like how to create a Swiss registration form, like login or register in one choice. Okay, this is very interesting. This video is very interesting, so wait for our next video. So please subscribe and please like this video.